Welcome to this complete guide on testing your English level. In this video, you will not only check how good your English is, but you will also understand what your level really means and how you can improve it. Many people think testing English is about exams or difficult questions, but real English level is about how comfortably you can understand, think, and express yourself. This lesson is designed to help you feel relaxed, confident, and curious about your own English ability. Before we begin, let me tell you something important. Your English level is not a label. It does not define your intelligence or your future. It only shows where you are right now. And where you are right now is a perfect starting point. Every fluent speaker once stood exactly where you are today. The goal of this video is not to judge you. The goal is to guide you. When people think about their English level, they usually ask one question. They ask, am I good or bad at English? But this question is not helpful. English is not black and white. It is a journey. Some people understand English very well, but cannot speak easily. Some people can speak simple English, but struggle with listening. Some people can read books, but feel nervous in conversations. All of these are different stages, not failures. Testing your English level starts with understanding yourself. Think about your daily life. When you hear English in movies, videos, or conversations, how much do you understand? Do you understand the main idea, or do you understand every sentence? Do you feel relaxed, or do you feel tired while listening? These feelings already tell you a lot about your level. Now think about reading. When you read an English article or a simple story, do you need a dictionary for every line, or only for some new words? Can you guess the meaning from context, or do you stop often? Reading speed and comfort are strong signs of your English level. Next, think about speaking. This is where many learners feel stuck. When you want to speak English, do you think first in your own language and then translate? Or do simple English sentences come to your mind naturally? Do you feel afraid of making mistakes? Can you speak slowly but clearly? Or do you freeze completely? These questions are very important for testing your real level. Writing is another mirror of your English. When you write a message or a comment in English, do you feel confident? Do you worry a lot about grammar? Can you explain your ideas in simple words? Writing shows how well your brain organizes English. Now, let us imagine a simple self-test. There's no pressure here. Relax and listen. Imagine someone asks you simple questions in English. Questions like, how is your day? What do you like to do in your free time? What are your plans for tomorrow? If you can answer these questions slowly but clearly, your English foundation is already strong. If you understand the questions but cannot answer, it means your input is strong, but your output needs practice. Many learners are surprised by this. They think they are weak, but in reality, they are only untrained in speaking. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. Understanding grows through listening and reading. Speaking grows through use and repetition. Testing your level means checking both. Now think about pronunciation. When you speak English, do people understand you? This is more important than sounding perfect. If your pronunciation is clear enough for people to understand, you are doing well. Accent is not a problem. Every English speaker in the world has an accent. Clarity matters, not perfection. Another part of testing your English level is confidence. Confidence is not about speaking fast or using big words. Confidence is about being okay with mistakes. If you can continue speaking even after making a mistake, your level is higher than you think. Silence and fear are bigger problems than wrong grammar. Let us talk about grammar for a moment. Grammar is important, but it is not the heart of English. Many learners test their level only by grammar rules. They ask, do I know tenses? Do I know conditionals? But real English level is about use. You can know grammar rules and still not speak. You can also speak clearly with simple grammar. Testing your level means checking how you use grammar naturally, not how many rules you remember. Vocabulary is another key area. Ask yourself this. When you want to say something, do you usually find the words you need, even if they are simple? Or do you feel that words are missing? You do not need thousands of words to speak English well. You need active words. Testing your vocabulary level means checking how many words you can actually use, not how many words you recognize. Listening is often ignored, but it is a powerful indicator. When you listen to native or fluent speakers, do you catch key words? Do you understand emotions and tone? Can you follow a simple conversation without subtitles?
If yes, your listening level is growing well. If no, it means you need more exposure, not more intelligence. Now let us talk about levels in a simple way. Beginner level means you can understand and use very basic English. You can introduce yourself. You can talk about simple daily things. Intermediate level means you can understand most everyday English. You can share opinions. You can describe experiences, even if you make mistakes. Advanced level means you can express ideas clearly, understand different accents, and feel comfortable in most situations. None of these levels are bad, they're just steps. Testing your English level is also about awareness. Do you notice your mistakes? Do you hear correct English and feel the difference? This awareness means your brain is learning. Even frustration can be a sign of growth because it shows you want to improve. Many people avoid testing their level because they're afraid of the result. But testing is not an exam, it's a mirror. When you look in the mirror, you do not get angry at your reflection, you just see where you are. English testing is the same. Let us imagine a real-life test. You are in a cafe. The waiter speaks English. Can you order food? Can you understand the price? Can you say thank you and respond politely? If yes, your practical English is working. Real-life ability matters more than test scores. Another test is thinking. Try this simple exercise. Look around you and name things in English in your mind. Chair, table, window, phone. Then describe actions. I am sitting. I am listening. I am drinking water. If you can do this, your English is alive in your mind. This is a strong sign of progress. Now let us talk about mistakes again, because they are important. When you test your English, you will notice mistakes. This is good. Mistakes show you what to practice. If you never notice mistakes, it means you are not pushing yourself. Growth happens outside comfort.
Testing your level should not happen only once. It should happen again and again. English is not fixed. It changes with practice. 1 month of daily listening can improve your level. 1 month without practice can slow you down. Regular self-check keeps you on the right path. Some learners compare themselves to others. This is not helpful. Everyone learns differently. Some people speak early with mistakes. Some people stay silent but understand deeply. Both paths can lead to fluency. Test yourself against your past, not against others. Confidence grows when you see progress. Maybe last month you understood only 50% of a video. Today you understand 70%. That is growth. Testing helps you notice this progress, and progress creates motivation. Now let us talk about mindset. When you test your English level, do it with curiosity, not fear. Say to yourself, let me see where I am, not let me see how bad I am. Language learning is emotional. Be kind to yourself. English is a skill like driving or swimming. You do not become good by thinking. You become good by doing. Testing your level shows you what to do next. More listening, more speaking, more reading, or more writing. Let us imagine your future. Imagine yourself speaking English more freely, understanding conversations, feeling relaxed. This future starts with awareness. Testing your level is the first step toward that future. This video is not about passing or failing, it's about understanding. When you understand your level, you stop guessing, you stop feeling lost, you get direction. So, take a deep breath, be honest with yourself. Notice what is easy and what is hard. Celebrate what you can already do. And remember, English fluency is built step by step. You are already learning. You are already improving. The fact that you are watching this means you care, and caring is the most powerful skill of all. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep testing yourself gently. One day you will look back and realize that English is no longer something you test, it is something you live.